Okay, listen up. We are going to build an entire exam prep system, and we're going to do it in about 2 minutes. No, seriously. This isn't just another study hack. This is a brand new way to prepare for your exams, and it changes absolutely everything.
You can feel it, can't you? That clock is ticking, louder. The pressure is building up. And yeah, final exams are right around the corner.
And let's be totally honest, you probably feel like you're already behind. Here's the trap, though. Wasting precious hours just trying to organize your notes is the absolute fastest way to fall even further behind.
But what if you could change all that? In the next 2 minutes, I'm literally going to walk you through an AI system that builds your entire study schedule, creates your practice exams, and even finds your weaknesses for you. All of it automatically.
Look at this slide. This right here shows the fundamental mistake that most students make. They study the wrong way. Passively rewatching lectures or just flipping through random notes. But here's the hard truth. Exams don't reward effort, they reward precision. The whole key is to study the right way with a targeted focus and a system that automatically hunts down your weak spots. All right, let's do this. First up, building your study plan. Think of this as the automated architect for your exam success. And it all starts with one super simple step. You just gotta feed the machine. So open up your AI study tool and get ready to upload your materials. So what do you give it? Literally everything. I'm talking your lecture notes, the professor's slides, any old exams you can get your hands on, even entire textbook PDFs. Just drag and drop it all in there. In seconds, the AI scans everything and maps out your entire syllabus automatically. Okay, the AI has all the knowledge. Now comes the magic part. We are about to generate your entire exam strategy, like instantly. All it takes is a simple prompt, something just like this one. You tell it the course, how many weeks you have, and exactly what you need, and boom, the AI spits out a complete day-by-day schedule. It prioritizes the most important topics for you and even pencils in your practice days. No more spending hours just planning to study. You just study. Now, a study plan is a great start, but it's not enough, not even close. To be truly prepared, you have to simulate the real thing. It's time to create practice exams that feel exactly like the one you're about to walk into. With another simple prompt, you command the AI to build you a test. And here's what's so cool. It uses academic databases and analyzes question patterns from your old exams to create this hyper-realistic simulation of your midterm or your final. This is so crucial because it makes your practice feel real, and that's what builds real confidence. Okay, so we've got a plan, and we've got practice tests. That's good. But this is where the system gets really powerful. This next feature, this is what separates a decent study plan from one that's basically unbeatable. Just think about this for a second. What if your notes are incomplete? What if your professor just kind of skimmed over a key formula? That's a classic student nightmare, right? Well, this AI has the answer. It's a feature called cross-referencing. Basically, the AI analyzes all of your material, and then it compares it against its massive knowledge base to find out what's missing. It'll spot incomplete topics, find forgotten formulas, or suggest related concepts you might have missed. This is how you prevent that horrible "I swear we never learned this" moment during the real exam. All right, now for the final piece of the puzzle. This is the secret weapon. This is the strategy that top-performing students use to absolutely master the material. So you're going to want to pay close attention because this is a total game changer. It's called adversarial testing. So instead of just asking you random questions, the AI figures out where you're weakest, and then it intentionally attacks those areas. It'll throw trick questions at you, advanced problems, conceptual traps. It sounds tough, and it is, but it forces your brain to patch those knowledge gaps way faster than any other method out there. And starting this is so simple. You just tell the AI, hey, I'm weak in this topic, and then you order it to challenge you. This is how you go from just knowing a topic to truly mastering it under pressure. So there you have it. Let's put it all together and recap the entire battle plan, your complete AI workflow from start to finish. It's just 5 simple steps. 1, upload all your notes and materials. 2, generate your daily study schedule. 3, create those hyper-realistic practice exams. 4, let the AI find and fill your knowledge gaps. And 5, run adversarial testing to make your weak spots your strengths. That's it. You now have an AI exam architect working for you 24/7. Look, here's the bottom line. Students who study randomly, who just cram, they panic. But students who use a precise, AI-driven system, they walk into that exam already knowing exactly what to expect. The choice is yours.